each element of S belongs to exactly 10 of AIs. Exactly 10 of AIs. So like actually 1 by 10. So we have to exactly 10 of AIs means, so 1 by 10 of A1, sorry, 1 by 10 of A1 plus 1 by 10 of A2, like that we have to take. So here union, when we take n, here one property is there, A union B will be there, A union B. When we take n here, already we have seen that this is will represent n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Is it clear? This is the formula already we have seen. So when in union, when you apply n, when you take n here, it will become separately. Separately we can write. This union becomes addition. This is the formula. When A comma B are disjoint, then A intersection B value is empty. Then this value becomes 0. That time n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B will be. So here each element of S belongs to exactly 10 of AI, so that we can take like this. 10 S is equal to this 30 into 5 you can take, otherwise S is equal to 1 by 10 of this total. Okay, this is 15. Then S is equal to, again they given exactly 9 of BIs, so 1 by 9 into, right, total number of elements 3n, that is equal to n by 3 we get. So both will be equal here. This value we got like 15. 15 is equal to n by 3 we got. So what is n value?
45.
45.
45. This is the answer. So don't confusing here. Okay, this kind of questions are there. We'll do again more questions. Right. In this question, this kind of question already we done in classwork 2. What is the answer?
D equal to BC, first option.
D is equal to
BC.
BC. Because what is B and C? Respectively prime. So that we can write BC. In previous class, we done 3n intersection 7n. This question. 3 into 7, 21. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here B comma C belongs to natural number and are relatively prime. So that this multiplication we can take. So 8th question, what is the correct option?
First option.
First option is the correct answer. Yeah, all of you try this question number 9. All of you. Can try that question. So otherwise, we can do that 9th later, because it is related to lesser than lies between x value lies between two values. Okay. So all of you do this question number 10. This kind of question already be done. Question number 10, you can do first. Find the answer and tell me what is the correct answer. An investigator interviewed 100 students to determine totally 100. Okay, their preferences for 3 drinks: milk, coffee, tea. milk, coffee, tea. First, whenever you want to enter the values, you should first write the common to all. Milk, coffee, tea. He reported the following: 10 students had all, 10 all, means 10 year. 10 students had all three drinks, MCT. 20 had M and T. 20 had M and C means it is 10. Remaining 30 had C and T. C and T. This is 20. Then 12 add 25.
Answer 20, sir.
Yeah. And what about answer?
20, sir.
Okay. Yeah. What about others? Is that right? See here, clearly they given 12 add M only, M only. Means this is 12. 5 add C only. Clearly they mention only C. How many? 5. T 8.
If we add everything, 80 is coming, sir. They
Oh,
investigated 100 students, so 100 minus 80, 20, sir.
exactly. So what is the question? According to the question, you can see. Then how many did not take any of three drinks? That is nothing but A union B union C will give this total value. They can take like milk, tea, coffee, this many members. But they are asking about, they do not take nothing but all complement. All complement. This whole complement means n of this whole complement means this is equal to that. We know that n of u minus n of A union B union C. First, you should find n of A union B union C by adding all these values. Adding all the values, how much you are getting?
80.
Is that equal to 80? Okay, in case it is 80, but here, how many students total? 100. 100 minus 80. Because here, universal set means, for example, in a class 11th, there are 100 students are there. In that, some student can take tea, someone take coffee like milk. In that, so uh, the, the student who do not take any of three drinks is 20. Absolutely right.
Sir, for me, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in that they have given 20 had M and C only, no, sir. Then that there will be 20, no, sir.
MNC nothing but what? Is this region not belongs to MNC? For example, 20 means here doubt is, sir, why don't we write here instead of 10, 20? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what about this down region, right? So M and T. So here, what about this region? What is the region of M and C? Common to M and C. This complete region. We should not take this region alone. This whole region common to M and C. So you should take 10 alone. Don't take 20. What is the region which is common to like C and T? This whole region. Not this. When they ask for your doubt, if they give like this, M and C only, not T. If they given M and C, but not
T.
T. At that time, we can take this value alone. They did not given like that. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, anyone having the doubts about question number 10? Question number 10. I hope so. No. So all of you do this question number 11. We'll do that question number 9. 11.
25, sir.
Exactly 25.
Yes, sir.
How can you say it is exactly 25? Total number in a college 300 students are there. Okay, fine. Every student reads 5 newspaper. Okay, nothing but 300 students into every student can read 5 newspapers, and every newspaper is read by 60 students. The number of newspapers is
1500 by 60, sir.
By 60. Then okay, let us consider here some k be the number of newspapers, k be the number of newspaper, and look at here, every student read 5 newspapers. Total number of students 300. So totally 300 into 5 should be, and every newspaper is read by 60. Then we need to find, we have to equate here. Okay, and every newspaper read by 60 means, so k into 60, which implies what is k value? They are asking number of newspaper, k value 300, 1500 by 60. Otherwise 61s are 65s are 5 into 5, 25. Exactly 25. Whenever it is exactly 25 newspaper, then only both will be equal. Okay. Is it clear, students? And is the k is the required number of newspapers? Then this is the condition. Okay. And now I'm going to give like k here. One question is there. The last question. I'm giving the question, choosing the question randomly. Can anyone try this question? Question number 15. What is the answer? What is they given actually? That till 70% of the combatants lost one eye. How many are lost? Eye? 70%. 80% and ear. 70%, 75% and arm. 85% and leg. X person lost all the 4 arms. The minimum value of X. Okay. So what do you understand? Then how can you find the answer? So X person lost all the 4 limbs. Okay. Then the minimum number of value X is. Minimum value. Out of 100, 70% of the combatants lost one eye. Nothing but remaining 30%. Okay, 80% and here. Remaining is 20%. 70% and all. Remaining 25%. Only arm. So only leg is 85%. The question is what? So in that 85, 15% they can. The question is X lost all 4. Then the minimum value of X. How can you find this? Yes.
Sir, 25 minus 15, sir.
What? 20?
25 minus 15. I don't know, sir.
Sir, 100 minus rest of them, sir.
How can you say it is 100 minus the rest of?
Sir, these many percent does not lose anything, sir.
Okay.
So opposite to them will be maximum, no, sir. Lost all the four things.
Hmm.
So we can do like that.
Student remaining. How many of you understood this? A simple question. Out of 100, in that like 70% of the person lost one eye means remaining 30% cannot. So in the same way, 80% means remaining 20%, 75 means remaining 25, 85 means remaining 15%. But here the question is X person lost all the four limbs. The minimum value of X same. We consider that total is 100. Like minimum is actually X percentage plus this 30 plus 20 plus 25 plus 15 should be equal to 100 percentage. Okay, from that X is equal to 100, like X plus what about this value? When we are adding all these values, 30
90,
plus
sir.
20,
90.
90, so minus 90. So nothing but how many? X value will be 10, 10%. So they'll give like this, but they'll give logical question, 100% right. If you're adding X loss all four, then adding all this rest of the percentage to X plus all this percentage, then it is clearly equal to 100. Okay, and let us go for the previous questions. What are the questions we have done? Okay, ninth one. Ninth one, tell me this. This is again easy. A survey show that in a city, 63% of the citizens like tea, whereas 76% likes coffee. X likes both tea and coffee. Then, the X should lies between what? How can you find this?
The option 4, sir.
Sir, like 15th some 15th one, or we did same thing we have to do, sir.
Sir, minimum value is 39, sir.
Okay.
Maximum is 50, sir.
Okay, minimum value 39. Maximum value
53, sir. Fourth option only, sir.
students.
Sir, for 39, we should find 100 minus 37 plus 24, sir. It will come 100 minus 61 equal to 39%, sir. That is the least one, sir.
Yes.
For greater than one, we have another option, fourth option only, sir. So that is the answer.
So anyhow, here we need to find X percentage means both. Both means when you take coffee as T, capital T as T, then C intersection T. So we have to find N of C intersection T. Okay, X nothing but this is X. This X value we need to find. What is the option they given? Let's see once. Right, absolutely right. Ninth one is fourth option. Can you try remaining? I can explain. I'm giving just last 1 minute. Remaining also you should try to do. Simple question, a logical question. We need to find the value of x. X is equal to n, C intersection t. If you take the total percentages, yes, 100, then what is n of a intersection c intersection t? 100 percentile should be almost this. N of A union B, it's based on the question, lesser than or equal to n of u, universal set. N of u always 100%. Yes or no? N of u always is clearly equal to 100%. So n of A union B always lesser than or equal to n of. So n of A union B formula is what? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, lesser than or equal to 100, because it is equal to n of A union B. It is 100. Okay, when I take like this, then take your n of A intersection B right side. 100 is left side. N of A value, how much they given question? 63. 63 plus 76 minus 100 is lesser than or equal to n of A intersection B. Okay, what about this value, student? 63 plus 76 minus 100. Is it 39?
39.
Okay, 39 is lesser than or equal to n of A intersection B. Okay, one condition we got here. This condition we got. Then how can you prove that n of A intersection B is lesser than or equal to 63?
Sir, it is because 63 members is the maximum number of members who like T, sir. More than that, intersection cannot happen now, sir.
Exactly. In this 63 and 76, okay, for example, 63 elements are common. This is the only maximum possibility. A having 63 elements, B having 76. What is the number of maximum common elements for the 63 and 76?
63, sir.
63 only. Because 1 to 63 you can take as A, 1 to 76 you can take as B. So A intersection B becomes 63. So like that you can consider. So right, absolutely right. The fourth option is correct. Okay. Then X is like both tea and coffee. Maximum will be 63. Minimum already we found that. Okay, student, can you try this question number 12?
Sir, answer is second option, 13.
13. Yeah, remaining all of you once look at this question number 12. In a class, how many are there? 55 students. The number of students studying different subjects are 23 in mathematics, 24 in physics, 19 chemistry. Okay, like that, all the data. So, M intersection
Sir, 22.
22, fourth option.
Yes.
12th is fourth option. Someone saying that fourth option, someone saying the second option, which is right.
Sir, 22 only is right.
22 only. So n of m is the given. How can you find this value with the help of the, okay, what is the question actually? M is given, n of p is given, n of c is given, n of m intersection p is given, m intersection c is given. I think so. C intersection p is given. 9 in mathematics, 7 in physics and chemistry, 4, all three subjects. M intersection, P intersection, C given like 4. So question is what? The number of students who have taken exactly one subject. Exactly one subject means what? Exactly one subject. So, like, can we use Venn diagram here?
Yes, sir. If we subtract the intersection regions, you'll get the answer.
That's it. Subtracted that values, and we can add. See here, with the help of Venn diagrams. It is also simple question. Okay, fine. Here, this is maths, physics, chemistry. Yeah, common value, common. Anyone? First, you only tell me. Common to all three.
4, sir.
4. What about this value?
8.
Total 12. Huh? 8 plus 4,
Yes,
12.
sir. Total 12.
All right, this one. M and
3.
C.
That one is 5. 5.
5. 3.
3.
Then this
6,
M
9, 7. 6, 9, 7.
6, 9, 7. So what is the question?
22, sir.
Right, see here, just exactly. What is the question? Only one. Only one. Like the student who have taken exactly one subject. Exactly one means 6 alone. Here it is 6. Here it is 9. Here it is 7. 6 students can take only exactly maths. 9 students only physics. Okay, 7 students only chemistry. But 8 can take maths and physics. Okay, so 3 can take physics and chemistry like that. So only, so 6 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 22. Okay, 16 plus 6, right. 22 is right answer. Understood, student? First, you can better to draw the Venn diagram instead of writing the formula. In OBT alone, in NCERT, you should write the formula, right? Absolutely right. Next, question number 13. Out of 800 boys in a school, 224 played cricket, 240 hockey, 336 basketball, right? Of total 64, both basket and hockey, 80 played cricket and basketball, 40 played cricket and hockey, 24 all three. The number of boys who did not play any game, who did not play any game means
Sir, U minus A intersection B intersection.
union. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Union minus A union B union. Universal set minus.
Universal set contain how many boys in a school? 800 minus n of A union B union C, na?
Sir, N of A union B union C is 640, sir.
640. So 8.
640.
Then easier, the answer is fourth option. According to the given data, you have to find first n of A union B union C, that is M union P union C. Okay, so what is this value you got? 640. Students, it is not at all difficult. So there are 3 sets will be the same Venn diagram. So better to apply Venn diagram or else formula also. Your wish. Right. So this is maths, physics, chemistry. Okay. Values and all. Okay. Common to all 3 subjects. Oh, it is related to games. No problem. This is A. Take this as A. This as B. This as C. Okay. How many are played the 3 games, students?
Sir,
3 games.
24, sir.
24. Then here
16,
16. Here
56, 40, 40,
40, 56.
56,
Okay, here
160,
160. Here
128,
120.
216, 216.
Here 216. Then they given a
Add and
unit.
subtract from 800, sir. 160, sir.
Yeah, what is universal set?
800.
Consist. This is universal set. N of U already they given 800. When we are adding all these values, how much you are getting? 640.
Sir, 640, 640,
640. This is 640. But in universal set content
800.
800. So
So
800.
160
Yeah,
members didn't participate.
yeah, 160 members not participate in any game. So if you read that question properly, if you understood properly, answer is very easy, not at all difficult, right? So the numbers of boys who did not play any game, 160 boys cannot play any game, like cricket, hockey, and basketball, out of 800.
Sir, can
Clear?
you show the Venn diagram again?
Yeah. 24 boys can play all 3 games. In that 16 plus 24, 40 can play. What are the games they given? Cricket, hockey, basketball. Cricket. This is cricket, hockey, basketball.
Sir, A is H, sir. B is C. C is only B, sir.
A is H.
H.
This
Hockey.
is B.
B, C. Cricket.
Okay. Then
Basketball. B.
okay. AH, BC, CB. Okay, fine. Okay, students, shall we